guys, look at the cloud coming right over the top of the building. Woo! American went around. I don't think these guys are going anywhere. We got the exec jet down here. They were going to try a runway 10 departure. I don't think they're going anywhere either.
130, Southwest 1040.
Would you like a different altitude?
Can you believe this? Everybody's shut down. Look at this. I can't even get out of here. I'm all flooded in. Whoa, that was quick. Well, 15 minutes later, it's still raining, but it's like all the bad stuff appears to have come and gone. Hopefully we'll get some engines fired up and get back underway here soon. Well, the tower just asked Delta, American, and the exec jet if they'd like to try it. Go out now. And they all said negative. They'd like to wait a couple more minutes.
Tower Delta 689, we've looked at our weather data here. Our plan is to reassess at half past the hour.
Oh, Delta's not going to move. Wow. Planes are taking off from St. Pete, Clearwater.
Let us know there's some heavy and extreme precipitation that southwest of the airport is slowly moving northeastbound, so that might be in the way here in a few months. A few minutes, rather.
Okay, thanks for the heads up. We'll take a look at that.
Nice, huh? Look at that nice circle of storms. Woohoo!
Tower Frontier 9276.
Frontier 9276, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, what's the plan for departure, getting out of here? If we can go kind of the westbound, northwest and avoid this weather on the departure instead of going on our current route, that would be best as far as rides.
Frontier 9276, yeah, I can give you about a 310 and heading after departure. That should just keep you in the light moderate precipitation. If that works for you, let me know so I can coordinate.
276 to Vegas, our first flight out.
And for 1825?
1825, go ahead.
Just give me a heads up, we're going to wait until get out here.
That's fine. We've got to wait for this one departure, make sure everything's good with the center, and then we'll let you know when it gets closer to your trip. Frontier 9276, contact departure, passing the pilot, please have a good day.
Departure, your flight 9276, good.
It's like Rouge coming down to the left side. And we should have our Delta to JFK coming bouncing out. There they are.
Information will stay with you.
Two on the left side went, and then they shut us down again.
Called us back, now we can depart. Did you shut them down already? Or you
we did not. We were just about to. We were kind of slowly moving our way out of so we're ready to go.
Maybe.
Delta 689, you said you are ready?
We are ready. Delta 689.
Whoa!
689, roger after departure, fly heading 320, maintain 6,000, and you are clear to take off on runway 1 right.
320, 6,000, clear for takeoff, 1 right, Delta 689.
Wow. They're just ready to shut it down or come back for more fuel. Just ready to shut the engines down, and she gave them the okay. Woohoo!
1329 says, are you going to be ready to go?
That's for 2912.
1329 12, yes sir.
So we'll
a gap about 15 miles southwest of the airport, just light and moderate the whole way through.
Roger, we'll wait for this. Sorry, 421. Can we get a report?
134.011.
Thank you.
Love it.
I'll make it
2912 is headed to Charlotte. They are cleared. Now we got a Spirit in the sky. I'm rebound right behind them. That will be taking off. We got 20 mile in spacing. And as soon as I get to 20 miles out, I'll release the Spirit. And we got a Southwest, same thing behind the Spirit.
Philly 421, ready for departure.
421, Roger. I'll get you moving here momentarily, sir.
Whoa! Little lightning. Looks like our medevac is next, then 18 1/4 Spirit in the sky. And bring them up to MSY. I wonder if this is the medevac. I'm a little confused. Whoa, more lightning. Halt again. That lightning was awfully close. see the lights flashing on the terminal. MSY, here we come. Minibus service to New Orleans. Spirit in the sky. Well, I'm sure gonna miss these beasts. These school buses. I never fly Spirit, but I like filming their planes. Oh, boo-boo nose on this one. Somebody punched him. Dressed to impress. Hoping to have some judges here tomorrow. What a pain it's been hiring people.
1825, contact departure heading 320. Today.
Turn now to Port.
Oh, look who's coming. It's the creamsicle. That should be 368 to the frozen tundra of Antarctica, aka Minneapolis, St. Paul.
Maintain 6,000, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
I think we just got the all clear. 81 degrees in Minneapolis. It was 74 here a minute ago. Is this some kind of special livery? It's been so long. I'm trying to remember. I think this is BWI. We got a Falcon 2000 over there. I didn't even get today's video out yet. I said I gotta come out and do this storm. I was here at like 4:30 in the morning. It's a lot lighter, but it's still raining. Rouge, 1655 to YYZ. Did they just say the rain was getting lighter? Oops. 777, the Falcon 2000. I mean, it's pouring now. What is this? I think that's a plane that was in for cargo transformation.
following the departure.
368.
So for everybody, runway 1 right, RVR, touchdown 1,800, midpoint 1,800, roll out 2,600. And the runway 1 left, RVR 2,600 for the touchdown, midpoint 2,800, roll out 2,400.
They're calling it nomadic. Looks like it was formerly Ural Airlines. And I bet you when they turn, you're going to see a big old cargo door up front. That used to be the passenger entry. 2829 also took Minneapolis.
Departure, fly heading 330, maintain 6,000, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Alright, 320 after departure 6,000 and clear for takeoff 1 right, nomadic 201.
Nomadic. Nomadic, what you are. Wait a minute, that's Beatles. You know, this could be a test flight. This could be going somewhere to get painted. Because I can see on the top of the fuselage some green already. And I'm pretty sure I've seen this over at Airborne being retrofitted. Let's see if we got a big green door. Yes! There it is, kids. Now officially a cargo freighter.
Southwest to point off the right.
1383, shuffle off the Buffalo. All right, who's going to have snow first this year? Buffalo or Minneapolis?
departure. Roger.
Oh yeah, 1532 to ATL. Doors! Busiest airport. Last Hartsfield 600 meter international airport. 407 miles. About an hour. Just enough time to get caught up on some news. Have a Biscoff cookie and a Coke Zero. Or finish watching a movie that you started earlier. Boy, it seems funny seeing him turn left, huh? Turning west. Clearing up. Oh, kiss my sink. Look who's pushing. World Atlantic. I thought this thing was going to flip over backwards the other day. The nose was up so high. I saw it last month and it landed flat. I thought it was going to crash land. What are they going to do today? The landings that they do in these Mad Dogs are nuts. Cuba, here we come. At United, that's the Maxaruni 737-9. I wonder where they're headed. I wonder if that's the San Francisco nonstop. And that's why they want the longer runway, one left. They got a lot of fuel on board if that's going to San Fran. Well, are you sitting down? Is your seatbelt fastened? I was right. It's 1178 to San Francisco. Yeah, I get 1 out of every 100 right or so. I still can't believe I put Memorial Day on the headline. It's the Labor Day. 2908 to Philly. Standing by to take the one left. Hey, we still haven't seen a landing. When I first got here, the storm just pounced all of a sudden. We had 3 go-arounds from a long ways out. Didn't get to see any of them. It was pouring so hard. And I don't know where everybody is. They diverted, I guess.
Roger, hold short one left, got 20 in trail, your number 1 traffic to put up the right side. Hold short 1 left, 29 Charlie. Zero, maintain 6,000, and we're 1 left, clear to take off. At 320, feet better, 6,000, I said take off there, 2908. For the A game today. That? For the A team working today.
23 years old. I thought I was older than that.
Now 33, 53, time runway 1 last line up and wait. 1 left, on our way, sit on 33.2.
It's like 1135? No, that's not the flight number. 3 digits, I thought. From Key West. Our Flamingo buddy.
Several, 35 to the left, enable down 0.7. Enable down 0.7, 135.
That's a Prime Air 767 Heavy. It says diverting to Miami. You're this close, buddy. Make a right turn. Could be on the downwind leg. You are on the downwind leg.
United 2398 is ready.
Is headed to IAD. All planes, trains, and automobiles. That's a flat takeoff. Talk about low and slow barbecue special. Where they're going now.
United 2398, contact the flight, see him. So long, United 2398.
Oh, good. It wasn't diverted after all. From AFW, Fort Worth, Texas. Oh, I know somebody's not going to like this. They don't like those trees, and I know what they mean.
Contact ground point 7. Ground point 7, UC 43, you Tampa out of here.
But check it out, it's Maryland 1. 1504 from Austin, Texas. There's a KC 135 Stratotanker right above us right now.
Southwest 2900, 10, runway 1 left, clear to land, wind 3506. Clear to land 1 left, right plan.
With heavy heart, we watched 2900 from Houston arrive. I just got a flash on my phone. Queen Elizabeth has passed away at the age of 96. Certainly the thoughts and prayers to the family. The two big screens you see down there, that's the cell phone parking lot. Nicely done here at TPA. Wi-Fi, snacks, clean restrooms, and everything is updated on those screens for you. But look at all the cars. I'm sure everybody's waiting and wondering where their loved ones are. Probably been diverted someplace and they're gonna have to get them back here. So hurry up and wait. Oh, so sad with the Queen passing. I just saw her like yesterday or day before meeting the new Prime Minister. Hopefully she didn't suffer.
Whiskey 5, Route 17. To that, goes around 100, circulate 25, 6. Took out about 1,000. Fairly smooth, very light rain. About 1,000? Yeah, about 1,000.
You know, timing is everything. This is 2826 from Milwaukee, MKE, arriving 4 minutes early. Ooh, some condo action there. If they were arriving an hour earlier, they would have been in a big mess. Also early, 2851 from LaGuardia, 737.
Ground point 7, Delta 27.
1637 from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. One of our regulars from Wheeling, Virginia. I believe works at Pitt. These guys are late. Looks like they're about $1.03 late. JB, come out, wherever you are. This should be JB 125 from JFK. So funny. All we had was takeoffs. Now all we got is inbound. Hey, that's Mountain Aviation, a Cessna 750. No destination given. As you can see, the rain has picked up again. All through those buckets.